Got a new name or want to correct a typo? Here's how to change your name on your Zara account. First, open the Zara app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then head to Profile or Settings from here. Under Personal Details, tap Name. Edit your first or last name as needed. Then tap Save or Update. Your new name will now appear across all Zara communications and orders. If you are managing multiple accounts, make sure you are editing the correct profile to avoid confusion during checkout. Have you ever had to fix a typo in your Zara name? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.